Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading. We'll take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. And we'll start by mapping out the range that we've been in. It's the current overall range. But like yesterday, since these higher lows have been breaking structure, let's go ahead and narrow down the range to the last break of structure. It already broke past all of these highs. So right now, we're still in the range, also still in the range at this trend line. Not necessarily making, it is making higher highs, not a higher low, but this was a V-shaped recovery from yesterday. Now maybe stalling out at the top of this range, maybe reacting from this area of supply over here, or this overall area of supply. This buy before the sell, probably can't see it, but maybe react from here, but I don't see any setup for right now. We're just taking in consideration the dollar index DXY. Right now, only thing I see, this is an expanding triangle. So that's how you know that it is range bound. Waiting to see any type of pullback, any type of direction choice, because like I said with DXY, it could continue lower, which means this would go higher. So we're waiting for any type of pullback and any type of buying confirmation when the buyer step back in. This may be a possible short into this area of demand, but I'm not looking for any type of sell right now because this was a significant bullish impulse. So just stand out of GBP USD for now. As you can see, it is consolidating sideways. Euro USD, similar situation. Let's go to map out the current range. This was the overall range. I know it already took out this high, so we'll go here. And let's see. We can see here it's been making higher highs, higher lows, trending sideways, higher low, and it made that V-shaped recovery up to the highs. Now this has finally broken out past the highs, so that's why this is the current range. Still, it is considered bullish, but this is actually expanding. This is making higher highs and higher lows with this expanding triangle here. So you know this is still range bound, not necessarily in a trending market, but I will be looking for any type of buying setup if it does pull back down. Again, according to what DXY dollar index does. Wait for any type of pullback, any type of break past the highs of the structure. It is still, swing structure is still bullish and fractal structure is still bullish, but as you can see, like I said, it's just range bound. So I'm not looking for any setups, any type of sell setups. You could possibly sell back down to 50% of this overall range, but I don't see any opportunities right now. AUD USD, I was in a buy yesterday. Did get out before, well, I did put my stop loss in profit. But let's go and map out the current range before we start talking about that. This was a current range. The overall structure, it pulled back into discount. This is why I took that sell. This was 5+ days of red candle, so I'm just going to stay in that. I took that buy just in order to catch a small retracement after this sell-off. Like I said yesterday, I wasn't going to stay in too long. That's why I put my stop loss in profit. And as you can see with the tariff news, this is the 1 o'clock candle from yesterday, and everything went bearish because every time Trump talks about tariffs, the dollar index shoots bullish, and that makes these dollar pairs shoot bearish. So wasn't expecting too much because, like I said, this was bearish. I did say that this could possibly take out the liquidity up here, or it could go back to this supply area, but it got out. What can you do? You know, win some, lose some. But I didn't lose on it, but I'm just saying. You never know with this tariff news what can happen with these dollar pairs. But right now, it looks like this may continue to go ahead and push back down. Although with AUD USD, this you could have proceeded as a liquidity sweep to go ahead and push higher, but looks like it will continue down. Looks like it's a descending channel. right now with the lows. So wait to see if there's any type of bullish momentum shift anytime. Continue pushing the forward, or like I said, watch the other dollar pairs in correlation. NZD USD also in a buy due to it being retraced back into discount. Also put the stop loss into profit, because anything can happen, and anything did happen. Like I said, this bear candle was that 1 o'clock, in that 1 o'clock hour when Trump spoke about tariffs. Could have re-entered this, because this one did not go back past the original stop loss, but again, this was already bearish, so this was a counter trend trade, except you see it as the bullish momentum shift under discount, but this wasn't that much of a bullish momentum shift. That's why I had to stop loss and profit. But right now, just waiting to see if it can break these highs. Then I'll try to re-enter any opportunity, any type of pullback. I'm still looking out for any type of reaction to this supply area. Overall, this may still just continue down, take out the liquidity under these lows. Depends on any type of news, any type of news shift. GBP AUD is continue to push higher to higher prices. The overall structure, the overall structure went back 50%. Now it's pulling bullish. Now the current structure, let's go ahead and map that out. This will be the higher low from this low, back from these lows, and it broke past the highs, which I mentioned yesterday. Now looking for any retracement back, but like I was saying, with these cross pairs, these pairs, GBP AUD and GBP NZD, not really giving any type of pullback that I would be interested in. It's only ranging sideways, ranging sideways, ranging sideways, then continue to push to higher prices. Can't really tell if it's a sell, if it's going to retrace back anytime soon. It's looking like it's going to range for a while, possibly break out of that range and continue breaking to new highs. But like I said, since it did break past the highs, you would expect a retracement back to discount to see if there's any opportunity to buy and then push prices higher. GBP NZD, similar chart, similar situation. Came back into 50%, then it started retracing, started trending sideways, then push higher. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. So like I said, this is the current range because this is the low, the higher low that broke these highs. And just like with GBP AUD, no type of retracement, just trend sideways, push up, trend sideways, good for breakout traders. And this looks like ascending price action, so the buyers may be getting weak. Let's see. Looks like ascending channel right here. Ascending price action. So the buyers look like they're getting weak, at least on this pair, more so than GBP AUD. But like I said, you can't tell with how impulsive these buyers are, how far back this will actually retrace. Even if it does retrace, I can't really tell. Just be on the lookout to see any type of bullish momentum after the pullback and to continue pushing prices higher. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.